When we think of our planet, we think of nature, abundance, limitless resources, and untapped potential. But this couldn't be further from the truth. My name is Vian Garg, and this is my attempt to explain the deep and devastating impacts of human actions, which have led to global warming and many other ecological disasters. Think of the Earth as a spaceship, revolving around the sun with limited resources, piloted by humans and inhabited by many other species. At the current rate of human consumption, we will deplete all our resources within the next 100 years and meet our demise. Some people say that they haven't seen it happen. It's barely half a degree of change. Probably isn't that bad. It's bad. Very bad. Water expands at higher temperatures and ice caps melt, causing the sea level to rise. Over a third of the world's population lives near a coast, and 600 million people live within 100 meters of sea level. All of the Maldives is on track to be submerged by 2100. Things like rising sea levels lead to inhabitable homes, loss of life, and much, much more. Global warming has triggered massive natural disasters, such as the recent hurricanes and Australian forest fires. While this is already bad, it is just the tip of the iceberg. Endless downward spirals. They are where the true danger lies. For example, the temperature rise is just enough to kill a few trees, which have been storing carbon for centuries. This releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere and increases the amount of greenhouse gases, which then leads to the rising global overall temperature, and the cycle starts. We need to stop. This isn't about the beauty of nature anymore. It's about the survival of humanity. One way we can do this is go vegetarian. It's more nutritious, healthier, and economical. The agricultural sector is responsible for 18% of emissions, and half of that is livestock. That means that this sector alone is responsible for more greenhouse gases than all the cars, trucks, trains, ships, and planes combined. Humans are essentially solar power. We eat plants, but they get their energy from the sun. We also eat animals, but they eat plants, so they also get their energy from the sun. So in the end, meat is just an inefficient middleman. We could feed an additional 3.5 billion people if all humans just ate the plants they fed their animals. Meat consumption has grown so much that it makes sense for farmers in the Amazon to burn the forest down and just raise livestock. This, as you know, releases more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere and increases global warming. We've already lost 20% of the world's largest rainforest. It is estimated that the Amazon will collapse into a drier environment by 2100. This would result in over 200 gigatons of carbon being released into the atmosphere. That's about the weight of 1 billion cars. This is our last chance. We need to act now. Thank you for your time.